Catch the wave, understanding surf's up. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and beachy English phrase that you might have heard in movies or read in books. Surf's up. This phrase is short but packed with imagery and culture. So let's get ready to catch the wave and understand what it means and when to use it. The phrase, surf's up, is a very informal and slang expression. Literally, it means that the waves at the beach are good enough for surfing. It implies that the waves have reached an optimal height and strength, making them perfect for surfers to enjoy. When someone shouts, "Surf's up!" at the beach, it's a call to other surfers that it's time to grab their surfboards and hit the water. Surf's up isn't just about the physical condition of the ocean. It carries with it a cultural vibe. It's associated with surf culture, which originated in Hawaii and spread to California and Australia, among other places. This phrase evokes a feeling of excitement, freedom, and a connection with nature. It's part of a laid-back lifestyle that many beachgoers and surfers embody. While you might not be using surf's up to call your friends to the beach, it can still be used metaphorically. You might say, surf's up, to express that an opportunity has arisen and it's time to take action. Similar to saying, the time is right. It's a way to inject some of that cool surfer attitude into a conversation, even if you're miles away from the ocean. You might also hear variations like, the surf is pumping, or waves are firing, which all have similar meanings focused on the quality of the surfing conditions. Each variation still carries the essence of seizing the moment and enjoying the thrill of life. And that's a wrap on Surf's Up. We hope you enjoyed learning about this breezy phrase that has the power to transport you to the ocean's edge. Whether you'll be using it to hit the waves or just to add some cool surfer lingo to your vocabulary, we're glad you joined us for today's linguistic ride. Keep practicing, and maybe the next time you see an opportunity, you'll be ready to say, surf's up. Until our next video, keep learning and stay Santo.